Take this nation, Lord, and have your way. We're just your vessel and nothing more. Use President Trump as your vessel. When you're done, please keep the glory. We're satisfied just to see you glorified. We are satisfied just to see you lifted high. We are satisfied just to hear the name of Jesus glorified on the streets of this nation. We're satisfied just to see you lifted high. See what the Lord has. It's a simple song. See what the Lord has done. Very simple song. It says, what we've waited for has come to pass. Oh, see what the Lord has done. Can you rise and sing this as an offering? Oh, see what the Lord has done. Oh,